Are you wondering if you can use a registered agent for your bank account and credit cards? Let's break it down. A registered agent is a company that accepts legal documents on your behalf, so you don't have to use your home address. This is useful in states like Minnesota, where an LLC or corporation needs a physical address in the state. If you have a company from another country or state but operate in Minnesota, you need a physical address there. Instead of renting an office, you can pay for a registered agent to receive mail and documents for you. This is crucial for legal reasons, because if your business is sued, legal documents need to be handed to someone representing your company. Now, what about using a registered agent address for your bank or credit card statements? It largely depends on your needs and what your agreement with the registered agent allows. Some agents include a certain amount of free mail forwarding, while others charge per page or after a certain limit. If you want to keep your home address private, using a registered agent is a good option. But for most people, having bank or credit card statements sent directly to them is faster and cheaper. However, if you're located outside the US and have a company here, it might make sense to use a registered agent for all mail to avoid delays and to present a legitimate US office address to your customers. In summary, yes, you can use a registered agent for your bank and credit card statements, but whether you should depends on your specific circumstances. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. Visit legalregistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.